Hey guys, today we're doing a practice question. So we're trying to find the volume of this cone, but we're given the slant. So it's going to have to be some Pythagoras theorem. So what we're trying to find, I'm going to mark it as x. We are trying to find the height of this cone. So let's start by first, what do you need to know for the height of the cone? The formula equals 1/3 base times height. Now that we know this, we know the base, that's easy. So this is also pi r squared times, x. So we need to find x though, because we don't have x at the moment. We have the slant. So just thinking of it as a right angle triangle, finding height, we think about it as a triangle. This is the hypotenuse, 14. This is 6, because half of 12. And this is x. So we gotta write our formula, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And we rearrange that, so c squared minus a squared equals b squared. And in this case, and then replace those with values. So now, finally, c squared, 14 squared, minus 6 squared equals x squared. Now that we have that, let's bring that up top. So now what we have, let's simplify this even further. So 14, just on my calculator here, 14 squared is 196 minus 36 equals x squared. So that means that 160 equals x squared, which means x equals the square root of 160. Let me see if that can be simplified. Square root of 160. No, we're going to leave it as the square root of 160. So the height is the square root of 160 centimeters. Let's erase all this. Bring this information up, because we will need that. X equals the square root of 160 centimeters, and then we just follow our formula. So base pi radius is 6, so 36 pi is our base. 2, height is just square root of 160. And then we have to multiply those together, divided by 3. So what we'd finally get is 36 pi times square root of 160 over 3. So once we get this, what we're going to do is we're going to take away the square root of 160, and we're just going to round it. Let's move that over. And let's simplify. The square root of 160, so you can do this on your calculator, is equal to 12.649. Let's do that. And 12.649. And then we're going to multiply that by 36 times 36. And then we get 455.37 pi over 3 equals, this is just all calculator work, 151.79 pi. So that is our final answer, but it is volume, so it's going to have to be in centimeters cubed. So our final answer, volume equals 151.79 pi centimeters